Hi everyone, my name is Dee. I'm a Senior Product Manager at Tech Matters, and I'm joined today by my colleague Humera, a Solutions Engineer at Tech Matters. We're here today to demonstrate Aselo, a modern contact center platform developed by Tech Matters in partnership with the Child Helpline movement. Across the world, child helplines receive over 25 million calls annually, and over 30% of calls can go unanswered due to lack of resources. We realized that most helplines had dated text solutions and still primarily focused on voice calls, while kids were moving online to social media. While each helpline that we meet has their own operating philosophies, the commonality of their work means there's opportunity to provide a technology solution that can be shared across helplines, while still being flexible enough to be customized to each helpline's needs. Our role in building Aselo is to provide helpline partners with the tech tools to make the crisis response movement more powerful.
We will be demonstrating Aselo for both a helpline counselor and a supervisor. Helpline staff can access the browser-based Aselo platform from any location with an internet connection. With Aselo, callers can reach out to the helpline using their preferred communication channel across voice and supported text-based channels. To start taking conversations, a counselor will mark themselves as available, and Aselo will automatically route the longest waiting conversation to them. The single-pane interface is designed so that counselors can view incoming voice and text conversations across channels, manage active conversations with a simple chat window, and capture data about the caller, all in a unified place. We've built several efficiency tools to give counselors more time to focus on active counseling. For example, our chatbot can capture basic demographic information from the caller and auto-populate data forms with information collected. Counselors can also choose from a list of customized canned responses set by the helpline management in instances where the helpline has preset messaging for how to answer frequently asked questions. Data collection is also built right into Aselo so that counselors can capture the information they need while in conversation with the caller. We work with each helpline to customize which data fields they want to capture, which fields are required, and what the input options are. For helplines that need case management, an optional module allows you to create case records, keeping all necessary information in one place. For each case, internal notes, external referrals made, reported incidents, and documents such as file reports can be recorded. Once a conversation is ended, the counselor will save the record. Helplines can choose to trigger our customizable post-conversation survey, allowing them to collect feedback on the quality of service they received and aggregate that feedback into reports. Switching over now to supervisor capabilities. Aselo is designed to give helpline management extensive tools to view and report on their team's operations. Supervisors are able to monitor queue statistics and any counselor's active conversations in real time, either by watching text transcripts or listening in on voice calls. They can later assess past conversations and provide feedback to counselors directly through the platform. Aselo provides reporting dashboards for management teams to report on operational and programmatic trends of their helpline. Helpline operational dashboards show call center activity, tracking counselor call time statistics and abandoned call volumes. Programmatic dashboards are built from a standard reporting framework and give helpline managers insight into the types of calls they are getting across different demographics. And that's our demo. Now back to Dee.
There are many more optional and customizable features not shown on this demo that we want to call out. For example, the Aselo interface can be translated into the helpline's preferred local language. We can work with the helpline to set up automated messaging for operating hours and data collection consent. We can configure IVR and ITR triaging based on the service requested or the caller's preferred language. We have integrations with local reporting portals for reporting child sexual abuse material online. And lastly, we are expanding support to other types of crisis response helplines, such as gender-based violence lines and online abuse reporting hotlines. We are building Aselo as a modern open-source platform to strengthen the crisis response movement. If you have any questions about the Aselo platform, or if you run a crisis response helpline that might be interested in adopting Aselo, please reach out to us at contact@aselo.org or visit our website at aselo.org.